Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can transfer a website from Hostinger to another hosting company. Here you can see this is hostinger.com official website, and after that let me show you another hosting company, HostGator. So if you want to migrate your WordPress website from Hostinger to HostGator, how you can do that? Step 1 is you need to create a backup for your WordPress website. At this time, here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in into my website, and after that go in the plugin sections, install a new plugin that is free of cost. Search for Updraft. Here you can see Updraft Plus. This is a free backup plugin, just you can install. There are various other plugins, for example all-in-one migration as well as WP migration, so you can easily use those plugins also. And here you can see, just click here on the settings, then scroll down and click on the backup button. Now here you can see backup is started. Now backup is created and we got these files. Now simply you can click on the file, and here you can see you will get download option, then click on themes, then uploads, then others. So make sure that you have downloaded these all files into your computer. Simply click on the download button. Alright, first file is downloaded, then do for the same for all. And here you can see the file names, database, plugins, themes, upload, others. So these are the required files. Make sure that you have downloaded all of these. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these are the 5 files. And after that just you need to go in the Hostinger hosting package. You can easily log in with email and password, and let me log in with Google. And after that, now simply you need to go in the domain section, just click on the domains, then scroll down, and here you can see these are all the domains. Simply click here on the manage, then scroll down, make sure that privacy protection is off, otherwise, and also transfer lock is off, otherwise your website will not be migrated. Then simply click on the edit, and after that click here change name servers, then scroll down. Here you can easily add the name servers for your target hosting company. For example, I want to migrate to the HostGator. They will provide me name servers like this, ns1.hostgator.com, and after that let me add the second one. So when you get their hosting package, they will provide you this type of name servers. Simply click here save button. Then after that this domain will be connected with HostGator hosting package. Now let me sign in. Then add username and password. So now guys, here you can see we are logged in into the HostGator. Simply click here on the menu option, and after that click on the hosting. Then click manage, And after that, now simply scroll down and here you can see cPanel. You can also add website from here. Then the other option is you can go in the cPanel. Now scroll down and here you can find the domain section. Click here domains. Then here you can see create a new domain button. Here you need to add your domain name. For example, let me add here this one. Just I can copy and add this one. But here you can see, make sure that you have added DNS. So now let's remove HTTP from this. After that, you need to click here submit button here. Then let me go back to the cPanel. After that, the next step is scroll down. You need to install WordPress in it. Click on the app installer. Then the first one, WordPress, simply install it. Then scroll down and here you need to select your website or domain. Then scroll down, here you need to add login details, username, password, email. Then you need to select some plugins that you want to install. Then after that, add here email. Then click on the install button. After that, WordPress will be installed in your new domain. Then after that, you will get a fresh WordPress installed in your website. Then simply you need to go in that target website. Now again you need to go in the plugin sections. Then you need to install a plugin, Updraft Plus. So now let me go in the settings, then click here Updraft Backup. Now scroll down and here you can see upload backup files. Simply you need to click here and you can select the backup files from your laptop. Here you can see these are the backup files. Now you can press Ctrl A to select all of these files. And after that you can click open, then this file will be uploaded. Then after that simply click on the restore button, then you can select these files and after that click next. In this way you can easily migrate your Hostinger website to the HostGator web hosting. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.